Carnatic music, with ragas in various flavors, allows musicians to convey the entire spectrum of emotions. Carnatic music has been passed down since Vedic age through generations. Varuni Sangeeta Shale in Bengaluru is one of the music schools that aims in the transformation of souls through Carnatic music with the motto, "Align yourself through music." The founder of Varuni Sangeeta Shale is Vidushi Srimati Varuni P. Rao. Varuni was trained by many gurus. She had extensive trainings from Vidushi Renuka Das, who was a disciple of Dr. Sukanya Prabhakar. Varuni was molded with advanced and Manodharma trainings by Sangeeta Vidyanidhi, Kala Pravina, Vidwan T.P. Vaidyanathan for 10 years.
She learned from very good guru and she has nurtured art of music very well through intense sadhana.
Vidwan T.P. Vaidyanathan was a faculty in Chennai Kalakshetra where he shaped many iconic musicians. Varuni belongs to the elite Guru Sishya Parampara of Saint Tyagarajaru, Mysore Vasudevachar, B.K. Padmanabha Rao and T.P. Vaidyanathan.
ಒಂದೂವರೆ ವರ್ಷ ಮಗು ಅಷ್ಟೇ. ಅವಾಗ ಹೊರಗಡೆ ಹೋಗಿದ್ದಾಗ ಯಾರ ಮನೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಸಂಗೀತ ಹಾಕಿರ್ತಾರೆ ಅಥವಾ ತಂಬೂರಿ ಶಬ್ದ ಕೇಳಿಸ್ತಾ ಇದ್ರೆ ಆ ಮನೆ ಮುಂದೆ ಹೋಗಿ ನಿಂತ್ಕೊಂಡು ಬಿಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ಲು. ಆ ಮಗುವಿನಲ್ಲಿದ್ದಾಗಲೇ ಅವಳಿಗೆ ಸಂಗೀತಾಸಕ್ತಿ ಇದೆ ಅನ್ನೋದು ನಮಗೆ ತುಂಬ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗಿತ್ತು.
Varuni was a child with fast learning capabilities which aided her with several concert performances and accolades at a very young age.
Being a singer myself, I have a great inclination towards Carnatic semi-classical singing.
அரசு முறை வழி நெருக்காக்க நீ அடைந்தது இன்னொரு அவதாரம் கண்ணன் அவதாரம்.
I met Varuni for the first time in a family get-together and I was listening to some of the Carnatic kritis she was singing at that time. The moment I listened to her singing, I understood that she is someone who is going to reach great heights in the field of Carnatic music. I feel very, very fortunate and I also feel privileged to be a part of a musical journey.
திருமால் பெருமைக்கு நிகரேது.
Being an electronics and communication engineering graduate from National Institute of Engineering, Mysuru, Varuni extended her engineering ideas in the projects carried out at the Indian Institute of Science, Bengaluru.
It is always delightful to even watch your skills of science and technology in your presentations on music for the music events conducted by Bharatiya Kala Samskriti.
While working for Microsoft Hyderabad, Varuni was considered as the IGD talent for her exceptional musical skills and achievements. Varuni is an all-India radio-graded artist.
And the quality that I admire the most in her is her dedication, which in my opinion is the most essential quality of an artist.
She has been performing in different platforms with several awards and recognitions.
ಏನೆಂಬೆ ನಾ ನಿನ್ನ ಕರುಣೆಗೆ ಎಣೆ ಕಾಣೆ ಏನೆಂಬೆ ನಾ ನಿನ್ನ ಕರುಣೆಗೆ ಎಣೆ ಕಾಣೆ ಗುರು ಮಧ್ವ ಮುನಿರಾಯ.
She has also been actively collaborating with other artists.
She has been with me for all my group programs, creative programs. She is very creative artist also.
Varuni Sangeeta Shale trains music aspirants with Carnatic vocal, devotional singing, voice culture, shlokas, and much more via online and offline modes.
I feel he is very fortunate to have Varuni as his music guru. Her dedicated efforts made Rishi sing more than 50 kritis and 3 Pancharatna Kirtanas.
Mrs. Varuni has been a great teacher for us and very committed to ensure that we are not just learning music but also understanding the essence and some of the theoretical aspects of the ragas, which is very informative.
The trainings in Varuni Sangeeta Shale focus on preparing the students for performances at various platforms.
We organize and perform events like Tyagaraja Aradhane, Purandaradasara Aradhane, Ram Navami and Navratri celebrations.
ಬರೀ ಸಂಗೀತ ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ಗೆ ಹೋಗೋದು ಅಂತ ಅಲ್ಲದೆ ಎಷ್ಟೊಂದು ಆನ್ಲೈನ್ ಕಾಂಪಿಟೇಷನ್ಸ್ ಆಗಿರ್ಬೋದು ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಮೊನ್ನೆ ತಾನೇ TTD ಆಡಿಷನ್ಸ್ ಇತ್ತು. ಸೊ ಅಲ್ಲೂ ಕೂಡ ಒಂದು ಹಾಡೋಕ್ಕೆ ಅವಕಾಶವನ್ನ ಮಾಡಿಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ.
ವಾರುಣಿ ಸಂಗೀತ ಶಾಲೆ ಬಸವನಗುಡಿ.
Happy to share with you all that I happen to be the first student of Srimati Varuni Rao.
It was all initiated in 2019 with a single student. The teachings with complete acceptance, patient approaches and joyful experiences expanded Varuni Sangeeta Shale from one student to many across the globe.
ಒಂದೊಂದು ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ಗೂ ನನ್ನ ಮಗಳು ಏನು ಹೇಳ್ಕೊಡ್ತಾರೆ ಇವತ್ತು ಇಂಟ್ರೆಸ್ಟಿಂಗ್ ಆಗಿ ಅನ್ನೋದನ್ನ ಶಿ ಲುಕ್ಸ್ ಫಾರ್ವರ್ಡ್ ಫಾರ್ ದಿ ಕ್ಲಾಸ್. ಎವ್ರಿ ವೀಕ್ ಮೆಂಟರಿಂಗ್ ಸೆಷನ್ಸ್ ಅಂತ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ, ಡಿಫ್ರೆಂಟ್ ಟಾಪಿಕ್ಸ್ ಕೊಡ್ತಾರೆ. ಸೊ ಅದರಿಂದಾಗಿ ಮಕ್ಕಳು ಗೂಗಲಲ್ಲಿ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಸರ್ಚ್ ಮಾಡಿ ದೇ ಕಮ್ ಅಪ್ ವಿತ್ ದೇರ್ ಓನ್ ಪ್ರೆಸೆಂಟೇಷನ್.
ಅವ್ರ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಎಷ್ಟು ಹೇಳಿದರೂ ಕೂಡ ಸಾಲದು. ನಮಗೆ ಅವರು ಬಹಳ ಸಹನೆಯಿಂದ, ಪ್ರೀತಿಯಿಂದ ಹಾಗೂ ತಾಳ್ಮೆಯಿಂದ ನಮಗೆ ಅವರು ಸಂಗೀತ ಪಾಠವನ್ನ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ.
Personally for me, with the busy schedule and the time zone differences, Mrs. Varuni has been very accommodative so that I can pursue my interest in music and learn some of the songs such as Bantu Reeti Koluvu that I always wanted to learn.
Ma'am ಹೇಳ್ಕೊಡೋ ಟೆಕ್ನಿಕ್ಸ್, the way she brings that interest in every child, ಅದ್ ನೋಡಿ ನಾನು ತುಂಬಾ ಇನ್ಸ್ಪೈರ್ ಆಗಿ ಮೇಡಮ್ ಹತ್ರ ಮಾತಾಡಿದಾಗ she gave me a comeback. ಈಗ ನಾನು ಮೇಡಮ್ ಹತ್ರ ಸುಮಾರು ಒಂದು 3-4 ತಿಂಗಳಿಂದ ನಾನು ಸಂಗೀತ ಕಲಿತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ.
The rag
The school has been greatly loved and regarded high.
All the very best, and I'm sure your students will have you as a role model and learn a lot from you.
I was very nervous to sing songs in front of so many people. Even if I had 2 people in front of me, I was getting scared. But with ma'am's help, with ma'am's guidance, I've grown until here.
And then when she ended final one, she ended with the sloka and all that. In the end, Jai Varuni Pira.
I'm very grateful to her. So whatever I am today, it's because of her.
Sharade Karunanidhe Sakala